Okay. Now I know why.
But that is one irrational fear that I have. Maybe judging by what Appa said, it's not irrational. But when I do the headstand, if my neck just goes,
Yeah.
You can do without support, Rima.
I can't do it.
You do it with support?
I've done it 2-3 times with support, but that was when I was going to Kanika. I've never tried it at home.
Yeah. I will not try unless with a teacher. No?
Yeah, done it with a teacher against
Yeah.
all that also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, it's time.
Yeah, it's time. Past time.
Oh my god, time. Ooh, Mashi, orange pants.
Yeah. Matching with Lynette's shirt. Alright. 6-4 it is today. Settle
Yeah.
down. Take a deep breath in and out. Look at a point in front of you and then close your eyes.
Mummy, you can hear us or no?
Yes, I can hear you. I don't know what happened.
Oh.
Deep breath. Take your hands, join your hands at your sternum. Let's thank God for everything that we have. For the family that we have, for the love and care that we spread around. Let's say our Om. Take a deep breath in. Take another deep breath in. Take another deep breath in. Stay there. Slowly and gently open your eyes with a smile. Namaste. Let's stand up to do some warming up exercise. Let's have some fun. All right. Let's do a little bit of jumping. Jump. Little bit of jumping. And a little bit of twisting. Good. Now go run and touch something blue. And come running back. Go and sit on a chair. And come running back. Hop on one leg. Hop, 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 hop on the other leg. Hop, hop, hop. Let's do some jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's go and touch something orange other than on your body. And come back. Touch your head. Touch your toes. Shake your hands. Kick one leg to the side. Repeat it again, once more to the side. Kick the other leg also to the side. Kick the other leg back. Kick right leg in front. Left leg in front. Right leg at the side. Again jump. Jump. Twist. Let's run sideways. Run sideways. On your toes and left, run sideways the other way. And come back to the mat. And let's do a chuk chuk gadi. One hand front, one on the back. Chuk chuk gadi, come on. See? I want the train whistle, everybody. All right. Nehu is still on the train. Move around. Move around. We are doing a recap of all our asanas, one after the other. So take a deep breath in and out. Come back to the mat. 1 foot distance between your leg. Right hand up. 1, 2, 3. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards and with a backward rotation, bring it down. Left hand up. 2, 3. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards and with the backward rotation, bring it down. Both hands up. 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards with the backward rotation. Bring it down. Open your palms. Take a deep breath and a namaste on the head. Go up. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards and with a backward rotation, bring it down. Right hand above the left hand, touching the torso. Take a deep breath in and go up. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards and with a backward rotation, bring it down. Left hand above the right. Take a deep breath in and go up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your hand outwards and with a backward rotation, bring it down and relax. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath in and out. Open your legs to 2.5 feet. See that your legs are parallel to one another. Stand straight but not stiff. Right hand on the waist. Look to the left. Breathe in and go down. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hand down and face in front. Left hand on the hip. Look to the right. Bend down, breathing in. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hand back and look in front. Right hand above your head. Bend, breathe in and bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Pull it a little up. Turn it and bring it down. Left hand above your head. Take a deep breath in and bend down. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hand up. Pull it a little up and turn and bring it down. 3. Open your hands in front of you and open your feet a little wider. 3.5 feet. Take it to the side. Take a deep breath in, looking at your right hand. Breathe out, go down. Windmill to the left. Foot look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the hand that is down. Come back up. Take a breathe in. Look at your left hand. Breathing out, go down to your right foot. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the hand that is down. And slowly come back up. Open your right foot. Open your right foot. Look at your right palms facing ceiling. Take a deep breath in while breathing out. Go down. Behind the leg. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the hand that is down. And come back up. Head in front. Foot in front. Open your left leg. Take a deep breath in. Go down. Breathing out. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the hand that is down. Slowly come back up. Look in front. Stay there. 3.5 feet. Open your right foot. Warrior. Bend. Open your feet. Palms facing down. Adjust your feet and stay there. Breathing. Normally, bring your left hand towards the right hand. Do a namaste over your head. Stay there breathing. Slowly release. Come back to warrior 2. Stay there. Now take your left hand on your left thigh, taking your right hand up. Reverse warrior. Look up at your hand. Come back to warrior 2. Slowly pick up your knee. Put your leg in front. Stay there. Take a deep breath in and out. Open your left foot. Warrior 2. Look at your fingers. Adjust your legs accordingly. Breathe in and out. Bring your right hand towards your left hand. Make a namaste and take it above your head. Stay there. Breathe in. Breathe. Bring it back to warrior 2. Hands at your shoulder level. Take a deep breath in. Take your right hand on your right thigh and left hand up. Looking at your hand. Reverse warrior. Deep breath in and out. Go back to warrior 2. And then slowly pick your knee up. Bring your leg in front. And in, out, in, out, in, out. And relax. Take your breath. Come back to the mat. Come back to the mat. Stand with comfortable distance in your leg. Vakrasana. Take your hands. Palms facing down. Take a deep breath in while breathing out. Twist to the right, bending the left elbow, looking at your right fingers. Come back in front. Breathe out and go to the left, bending your right elbow, looking at your right, left fingers, and come in front. Form a fist. Form a fist above your head. Ardha Chakrasana. Take a deep breath in while breathing out. Ears and hands together. Don't have to go touching the floor. Bend as much as you can. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly breathing in. Come up. Release your hands. Put it on the waist. Open your legs a bit. Bend backwards. Breathing in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. And release. All right, let's do Ekpadasana. Go to any comfortable place if you can. Hold your leg till you are comfortable. And then slowly release your hands first into Namaste on your sternum. Taking a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Now slowly take your hands above your head into Vrikshasana. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Slowly turn your hands. Release your hands and release your leg. Take a deep breath in and out. Take your left leg up. Once you're comfortable, release the posture into Ekpadasana, hands on your sternum. Take a couple of breaths over here. When you're ready, take your hands up into a Namaste Vrikshasana. Look at a point in front of you. Stay there. Slowly turn your hands, release your legs, and relax. All right, let's do our Surya Namaskar and then sit down for the remaining exercise. Stand in front of your mat, hands on the sternum, shoulders back, body relaxed. Take a deep breath in and out, conditioning ourselves to do our Surya Namaskar. Padhastasana, Asva Sanchalanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Asva Sanchalanasana, Padhastasana, Hasta Uttanasana. Once you're done, sit with one hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. Keep your eyes closed, back straight. Feel the heart beating faster. Take a deep, long breath and release. Another deep, long breath and release. Now breathe normally, and the heartbeat will slowly come back to normal. Relax all the muscles in the body which have been used from head to toe. Connect with your body. Bring your back straight. Don't hunch. Just observe your body. Relax. Release the tension in your shoulders, hands, and legs. Deep breath in and out. Slowly open your eyes and release your posture. Let's do Dandasana. Open your legs in front of you. Toes pointing the ceiling, neutral position. Hands beside you, next to your thighs. Take a deep breath in and lock your elbows, pushing it in the ground. Pushing the hands in the ground. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. We'll do this once more. Hands, push it into the ground. Pull your spine up. Breathe in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And relax. Let's do the Paschimottanasana. Hands on either side of you. Fingers facing front, elbows at the back. Pull your shoulders back so that your elbows come closer. Take a deep breath in, bend little backwards. Breathing out, go down. Hold wherever you can. Once you're in place, release your shoulders and elbows. Pull your head down and breathe normally. Take deep breaths in and out. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths. With every breath, try to pull your head. Only go to the yellow zone, not the red zone. And slowly release your hands. Come back to the position. First position. And then release. We'll just do the Purvottanasana. Hands behind. Take a deep breath and pick yourself up. Hip up. Head back. Toes, if you can touch the floor. Stay there. Breathe normally. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths in and out. Slowly release. And sit in the relaxation pose for a couple of seconds. Shaking your hands and legs if you want to. Taking a breath in and out. Slowly, let's do the butterfly pose, Bhadrasana. Bring the soles, bring a namaste, bring it close to your body. Hold it from underneath. Keep your back straight and flap your wings. Flap your wings. Now bend forward without slouching. Put your elbows on your calves. Push your legs little more. And again, flap your wings. Flap your wings. Now release and try to bend down. Take your elbows towards the ground. Bend your head forward. In this, please relax your stomach muscles. Just bend how much you can and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Release the posture and relax. Take your hands and legs. Go into Vajrasan. Use a cushion if you need. Go into Vajrasan. Pull your spine in. Hands on your thighs. Your shoulders back. Take deep breaths in and out. One of the best poses for digestion. For me, I suppose. Also, this is the only asana that can be done after eating food. Vajrasana. Take a deep breath in and out. Now slowly perform a fist. Only once you will do it under your navel. Take a deep breath in while breathing out. Keep looking in front, chin parallel to the ground. Once you reach there, then put your head down. Release shoulders and elbows. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Open your knees. Keep your legs in that position. Ardha Mandukasana. Both your hands up, holding the opposite shoulder. Pull your spine in. Look at a point in front of you. Stay there. Breathing normally. Now release your hands above your head, palms facing front. Breathe in and breathe out. While breathing out, put your hands down, elbows down, head down, and relax in Shashank Asana. Slowly release. Release, and let's lie down straight on our stomach and relax. Slowly bring your legs together, toes pointing backwards, hand by your chest for Bhujangasana, forehead on the ground. Take a deep breath in and go up. See that there's no pressure on your hands. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Take your hands down for Salavasana, either outside or underneath, palms facing the thighs. Take a deep breath in, chin on the ground. Take a deep breath in while breathing out. Take your right leg up, toes pointing back, knees locked. And release. Breathe in while breathing out. Take your left leg up. Again, lock your knees, point your toes at the back, and release. And now take a deep breath in while breathing out. Take both your legs up. Again, lock your knees, toes pointing back, chin on the ground, and breathe normally over here. Take deep breaths in and out. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in and out. Slowly release and relax. Relax your whole body. Relax all the muscles. Slowly come onto your backs. Yastik asana, stick pose. Take your hands above your head. And now while breathing in, we'll be pulling both the hands upwards and legs downwards as if there is somebody is pulling from both the sides. So take a deep breath in and push your legs and push your hands out. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. We'll do this once more. Keep your feet both together. First, the toes are pointing to the ceiling. Hands parallel to each other above your head, palms facing the ceiling. Take a deep breath in and push both your hands and toes outwards. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release and relax. Take your legs to 30 degrees and stay there. Breathe in and out. You're now using your core muscles. Let your thighs, your legs be close to each other. Push them so they support each other. Take your legs to 45 degrees. Stay there. Just breathe in and out. Concentrate on your breathing. Take your legs to 75 degrees. And then to 90 degrees. Pulling your toes towards your face. Just breathe in and out. Now relax your body, relax your stomach. Stay in that posture. Okay, 75, 45, 30, and 10 and stay there. And release. Take a deep breath in and out. Shake your legs up and down. We will now do Sarvangasana and Halasana. Others can do your 90 degrees and open wide and do scissors. You can also try Ardha Halasana, that is bending your legs and taking your body up. So go into Sarvangasana. Take a deep breath in and out first. Keep your head straight. See that your body is in line. And then go up. This is one asana that you can keep for a minute. But take a deep breath in and out. Just look at your toes or your chest. Don't move your head. Stay there. Now slowly go into Halasana. Once you're in the posture, relax your muscles. Slowly bend your legs, come into Ardha Halasana. Ardha Sarvangasana, where the thighs are parallel to the ground. Holding your hips with your hands. Now with the help of your hands, lower your body and everybody go lie down and relax. Now fold your legs, come on your elbows and put your head backwards. Close your eyes and relax. Pull your spine up. Couple of seconds. Breathing normally. Slowly release your hands and lie down in Shavasana. Legs away from each other, 2 to 2.5 feet. Hands away from your body, palms facing the ceiling. Let go of the whole body. Right from the toes to the soles, heels, ankles, calves, shin bone, knees, thighs, both the legs. Relax the groin, pelvic muscles, stomach, buttocks, spine, lower back, upper back, shoulders, chest, neck, throat, head, and the facial muscles. Let go of the whole body. Take deep breaths in and out. Now take a deep breath in and bulge your stomach out and just retain it. Stay there. And now release, deflating it fully and stay there. Once more, breathing in, inflate it fully. Feel your stomach is bursting. Stay there. And now release it fully. Suck it in and stay there. And release. Take your attention to the nose. Taking in all the energies. And breathing out the impurities. Very important to relax body, mind and soul after doing yoga, which is not only a physical exercise but also mental, spiritual. Helps us forget everything for this short period of time. It energizes our body so that we can work for the rest of the day. Makes our bodies feel light. In your mind, ask yourself, does it make me feel light? Does it energize me through the day? Have you found the difference from before how we started yoga to this few months journey of yoga that we've had together? Slowly bring your legs together, hands together, one hand above your head, bend the left hand on the stomach, turn to the right, stay there and everybody will breathe a sigh of relief. Take a deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Stay there. Slowly, with the help of your left hand, come into any sitting meditative position. Very gently, no jerky movements. Slowly open your eyes. We are going to do Bhastrika. That is forceful exhalation, where our concentration is on the exhalation. Inhalation happens by itself. So take your hands next to your shoulders. Okay? Make a fist. Yeah, make a fist over there When we put our hands up, we'll open our hands, and then when we breathe out, we will come back as a fist over there. The pressure is not to forcefully pull your hands down. That just gives us the momentum. Concentrate on the breathing out. So first take a deep breath in and out. Keep your hands near your shoulders into a fist. Now take a deep breath in. Put your hand up. While breathing out, pull your hands down. Make a sound. Relax after 10. Stay there. Take a deep breath in and out. We'll do another round of 10. Take your hands again near your shoulders. Form a fist over there. Take a deep breath in and up. And breathe out. And relax. Feel the sensation. Feel the cleaning of your nasal passage. Right up to your sinuses. Feel the tingling in the forehead. Close your eyes. Be mindful of what is happening in our face. Relax your body. Slowly rub your hands to create heat. Cup your face but not eyes. Slowly spread it all over your body. Open your hands in front of your face and blink a few times and give a smile and open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you, God, for this opportunity to do yoga together.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Neha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy
Why Lola went away? To get
I
the
don't know.
gajra?
Maybe she had some work. We still came in a little late, no?
No, because at 3 in the morning, a resident woke me up saying she's got urinary infection.
Oh
and if
God.
I had something, she was crying. Then luckily, remember Cecil ate my brains, bring that and keep that Cital.
Yeah.
So that I searched for. So she came down and took it. She was in a very bad state.
Oh God.
Time to go back to sleep and I slept.
Yeah, good. Good. That's what even Shweta had. She had that. She does one. They have some class. Went on to 11:30, and then she said she studied religious class where they discuss all. They read something from the Bhai, and then they discuss all the religions. And after that, she studied. So she slept past 1:30, I think. Yeah. And I'm much better today. So one day is.
Wow.
I drank milk last night with honey and little haldi. So let's see.
Good. Good. Good.
You will be fine.
Yeah, I will. All right.
Hi, bye, Sri Ram.
Bye, Chirama.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
We saw Bappu go to the bathroom today.
Yeah, today.
I didn't see.
After the Surya Namaskar?
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't notice. Okay.
Not after, now it's gone after 8. So
Sylvia, today Tony is not awake.
No, because of
He's not
the.
on.
He has
Because
to
of
make
that.
up for the sleep now.
Oh, he also woke up at 3. Okay.
So today we did like Simon Says for warming up.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah.
I'll see in the video.
Yeah.
Make up.
Maushi, you do 8 Surya Namaskars?
Yeah. No.
Wow.
Yeah.
I do 4 in that much time. I find
Okay.
it hard to bring my the lunch. Like it doesn't come 90 degrees, so I end up spending time trying to align my.
Yeah, so beta, that is also good, no? When you do it slowly and you concentrate on each asana is also very good. And you can also take the help of your hands if you want to bring your leg little in front.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm
But
doing.
don't make that it a practice, but you can, so that your leg gets used to coming a little in front. That's what
Right.
our sir used to tell us. So, you know,
So I
sometimes.
at first, like initially, I was using my leg. Now I'm not using my leg, but it doesn't still come directly, so I have to move it.
Yeah, so that hamstring muscle and all is stiff. Like my left leg is little stiffer than the right. What about Sylvia and Lynette? Your legs are okay?
Yeah, I mean,
While
my
doing
left pains, but it's okay. It moves. Only that one
I
thing
also
I have
can't
to.
bring my foot in front. I have to lift it in with my hand.
No, I move, but I do little adjustments.
Mm.
Help myself.
The main thing is that we are able to do the whole sequence.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, perfection is not there, but we are able to do.
Yeah.
Good.
And slowly by doing every day, because here I believe in Surya Namaskar, so we do it like every day.
That's
So
very
that-
nice. No, at least we are doing 4 or 5 every day.
Yeah, that really helps. Good. Have a good day.
All have a good day.
Love
Bye-bye.
you all. Bye.
See you all.
Bye.
Love you all. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Still go to sleep.
No. Glinty, glinty, auntie glinty.
Chalo.
Okay.
Bye, everyone. See you all.
Bye.